Hi class. Today we're going to be starting your PowerPoint presentations, and in order to do that you will come to your Office 365. So you're in Office 365 and you're going to click on PowerPoint. Once you get to PowerPoint, you want to click New Presentation. We want to go to a blank presentation so that you can design the slides in whichever manner you want to put. If you want to, so you just have more creative freedom. If you wanted to choose one of those themes, you can do that as well. Now we want each member of your team to have a working copy of this PowerPoint so they are able to put in their bridges, put in their information from their research, and why they chose the bridge they did, and what was the purpose of their bridge. Is it used for animal crossings? Is it used for boats, cars? But you want to come here to share. See where it says share? So we click share, and it's going to bring up the screen where anyone who has this link is going to have a working copy. So you're going to have to nicely ask your teammates what their email address is, and you will put in the 4 digits, so whatever their 4 digits are. You're going to put in @ Fresno U.org, and it will show the student's name here, but you have to make sure you spell Fresno correctly. If it shows their name here, then you've put their information in, and then you will hit send. So that student will then go to Outlook. Come over here to the window. You can click the waffle, and you're going to go to your Outlook, and that's where you will find a link for your working PowerPoint. Make sure that you don't delete somebody else's work. Be careful what you do. Work together, and good luck with your projects.